Let's party.
Auto Obsessed, I'm at the Rag Company booth. I'm here with Josh. We know the Rag Company obviously for microfiber towels.
Absolutely.
And also into other brands and tools. And Detail Factory is not new to the Rag Company, of course, but
No.
there's some news.
There is some news. So as of the first day of SEMA, we actually merged with Detail Factory. So Brian's still staying on. He's going to do all the development stuff. We have access to 3D printers now, so we're going to have some really cool stuff. And he's going to help us not only with Detail Factory, but also with Rag Company accessories going forward.
Okay.
So we should have some pretty cool stuff coming out, having the ability to 3D print and having that research and development behind it.
Right.
Rag Companies, we've always been good at distribution and sales.
Absolutely.
And so we feel it's just the perfect combination to make a really good venture for both of us.
Right, right. That was one of the first things that popped in my head too, was okay, now inventory, deliver, the delivery times and all that. You've got a machine, obviously.
So,
you know what to do with that side of
Absolutely.
it. And yeah, if you've got somebody who's knows the tool side of it, knows the building, knows the prototype, I mean, yeah, what a great story.
We're looking really forward to it. I think it'll be a really exciting adventure, and hopefully many good things to come.
Yeah, perfect. You've got a couple new towels as well.
I do.
Just want to show me those?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have our M22s.
Okay.
So these are 20 by 20. We currently have it in the load and green. The pink is going to be coming. We actually did this for Armor brand week that we did.
Okay, yeah.
And it was exclusive to them at the time, but everybody wanted to have the pink towel.
Right, yeah.
So we're bringing it back and we're going to sell it.
Excellent. So this one's 2200 GS.
2200
so
GSM.
very thick, very thick.
70-30 blend. It'll dry, almost any vehicle outside of maybe a bus or RV.
Okay. So still one towel?
Oh, absolutely.
So one towel
Easily.
per car? Okay.
Yep.
And one thing that really popped out is the size.
Yep.
So it's a really nice, manageable size, 20 inch by 20 inch,
Correct.
right? But yeah, it's really, really thick. You can just see how thick it is. No, that's nice.
Yep.
And these are available now?
The load and green's available. The pink should be available, I'm hoping, within the next 3 to 4 weeks.
Okay, perfect.
So we also came out with some color burst towels. And I'm going to move this real close to you so that you can see that there's actually 2 colors
Yeah.
on all these towels. So this one's our 1500. It's the same as our red 1500 that we have currently, just in the color burst colorway.
Yeah, no, that is
So
neat.
now it's 1500 GSM, 70-30 blend. So great towel, but it is large. So
yeah.
30 by 30
Yeah,
again.
for the people that like the bigger towel, at least you got
Yeah.
2 different sizes.
We got a couple of these other ones. I'll just put all 3 up and do another close up for you. So these are just like our liquidators, but in a new colorway as well.
Yeah, and these all have the dual,
They'll have
dual
the dual
colors.
color,
Yeah,
yeah.
no, it's really neat.
So kind of just something to spice things up a little
Yeah.
bit and see what we can do with colors.
Yeah,
So,
no, excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
It's always a pleasure. I enjoy working with the Rag Company and
we
yourself,
love having
Josh.
you as a customer,
Yeah.
so it's awesome.
Yeah, excellent. So you can check out the full selection of the Rag Company products in store or online at autoobsessed.com. And thank you for watching.